Want to know how to see the output of your project in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can see it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. And now once you've done that, before seeing the output, make sure you test and run your Java application first. So you can just simply select this green icon to run it first. And once you've done that, under here you should be seeing terminal. And right beside it you should be seeing output right here. So once the terminal runs properly and once everything is all set, it should be showing something on your output. So make sure to select run as well, and once you selected this output section right here, your output should be shown. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now this is how you easily see your output in NetBeans. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.